Hello guys and welcome to another video, and today we are doing part 5, I'm guessing, part 4. So last video we made this money per sec helper. Now this video we are going to make a store like that, a store that has like, it helps the better clicker. So you gotta go to new spec and then wait, I'm gonna go to choose a sprite, paint, so you can paint your new sprite. I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna name it Tacos. Taco McNucko. I don't know. Then I'm just gonna make a square. So, put it right down here. And then let's name it, you can name your store whatever you want. I'm gonna name it The Chase Gamers. The Chase Gamer. TY. Store. Let's do cost of, I'm just gonna say, 500 actually. That's a lot, but, money per click is going to be plus 5. I just froze right there. I'm so sorry. Just boom. Let's just put it like so, and there we go. Let's just, dang it, just grab this right there. And then the same thing that we do for the other sprites. Let's go to events, one flag clicked, one sprite clicked, grab 2 when I receives. These are from the events tab. One that says open shop and one that says close shop. So, boom. And then we go to looks, which is purple. We grab a one flag clicked hide. When I receive open shop, show. When I receive close shop, hide. Go to controls. Let's go. If for the when the sprite is clicked, right here, if variables, go to variables, grab 2 changes. Go to operators, grab a greater than 499. Just trust me, watch another video. I said that last video. Money, and then put the 2 changes. Change money by -500. Change money per click by 5. And that should work. So let's just, okay, we got that. Okay, I'm just gonna put this as a quicker way. You can just put money to set money to 500 in the cat spread. So then we have automatic 500. Grab. Good. So whenever you buy that, you should be getting dang it, what's it called? Yeah. You should be getting like $6 each click. See, like what I'm doing. Grab that. So this is a really fun game so far. Next video, we are going to make The Chase Gamer TY Hotel, which will help you with your, which will be in the last corner that we put in, right up here, and then it's gonna help our money per sec. So what we have so far is we have this. So when we get to, wait, just give me a second. We have, let's just set money to 500. What we have right now is that we have, when you click DJ's Gamer TY store, you get, you click the cat, and then, it goes up by 6 because you already can click once, and yeah, it's just super cool. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can never miss any videos, and like this video. If we get to 3 likes again, I will do part 6. I'll leave it in the description below. I'll do part 6 for this clicker game, and yeah, peace out.